Welcome back to this week's Habitat Minute. On Sunday, April 28th, we had the first ever Habitat Open House Cruise-In. It was a beautiful Sunday evening, and guests got to check out some awesome cars, tour the Habitat office, and learn more about Habitat's mission in Evansville. Congratulations to the Sister Jane's Choice Award winner, Bob Williams, with the Road Knights. His beautiful 1951 Mercury sports sedan won him some special recognition on Sunday. Thank you to everyone who came to hang out with us. On Tuesday, April 30th, we celebrated Tiaja's home dedication. Along with her sponsor, the Women Build, we got a chance to welcome Tiaja and her daughters home. Tiaja will soon be making affordable payments on her Habitat home. Congratulations! This coming Tuesday, May 7th, we will be celebrating Amanda's home dedication. Join us at 5 p.m. at 309 South Bedford Avenue as we bless this home and cut the ribbon. Big shout out to Amanda's sponsor, the Methodist Build. We hope to see you on Tuesday. That's all for today. Tune in next week for more Habitat insiders and updates.